Hi friends, it's been a bit long. We have done some healing sounds before. We have done the lungs, we have done the heart, we have done the kidneys. Today we are talking about liver healing sound. It's an important part of the body. It's a very important organ of the body. It weighs about, I don't know, about 1.5 kilos or something, 2 kilos. It's on the right side of the body near the abdomen. The liver is very, very important. Why? It it has more than about 500 or 600 or known functions. Really, nobody knows how many functions are there. It is also called as a pharmacy of the body. It stores and dispenses medicines as well as vitamins. It has got a lot of association with the lungs. It becomes very, very important. Again, it has got a lot of association with the eyes. The eyes is known as the external indicator of the liver. Like for example, the white of the eyes is associated with the lungs. The iris is associated with the liver. The lid is associated with the spleen. The corner is associated with the heart. So these are all connections with that. Now liver has to be very healthy. It's as simple as that is. If the liver is not healthy, you are not healthy. It's very, very important for the liver to be healthy. There are many other ways of making the liver healthy. Something is called as liver cleansing, which we can take it later on. But today, we will take up the liver sound, healing sound. The liver healing sound starts with S-H-H-H-H-H-H. How would it is pronounced? She. She. You understand that? S-H-H-H-H-H-H. She. Why we are taking this sound? Because liver is associated with anger. Anger is one letter shorter than danger. Anger can be anything. It can be self-destructive. It can destroy your friends. It can rip off the relationship. It can do any damage to your life. So you have to transform this anger into kindness. You have to do it. And for that purpose, you get it done through this way of the sound. Very simple it is. Now how it is done, I'll show you. We have to keep the hands to the side and then take it up while breathing inside. Close your eyes and breathe inside. I'm just showing you the actions. And when you go on top, you fold like that and take it up. And after breathing fully, you breathe out through the mouth. You are inhaling through the nose. Okay? So I'll show you now. Once more. Once you're done out exhaling with she, breathe normally 3 or 4 times, thinking of the liver as if you're breathing from the liver. Now, as the liver is associated with the eyes, you will have to do some massages with the eyes. It's very simple it is. You take the middle finger, and don't ever pressurize it. Just do a normal massaging. I'll just show you. This is the middle finger. I take it and just do like that. Simple massaging, very simple. And the clockwise. Say do about 7-8 times clockwise and 7-8 times anti-clockwise. Similar with the left eye also, or you can do both the eyes together. Okay, that is one. Then you take these 3 fingers, keep it over the thing. Slightly warm it. It will be nice. Slightly warm it. Okay. Take eye by and do slowly. Don't press. Remember that. Just slowly do it. Left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right. 7-8 times. 7-8 times. 7-8 times. Don't press. Remember this word. Don't press. Just do it. Right? So all the lid is taken care. The white is taken care. Right? The iris is taken care. The pupil is taken care, which is related to the kidneys. And this end is related to the heart. This end. Just massage this. That's only massage. And then what you do, you breathe out fully. Okay? You breathe out fully. Make Mula Bandha. And by Mula Bandha, pull the eye socket inside. Once again, breathe out fully, do Mula Bandha and pull the eyeballs inside behind the socket. That's all. So it's pretty clear and pretty simple to do this. So your liver gets cleaned up, your anger dissolves, kindness comes into your life, it opens up. It opens you so much. Even for intelligence, it opens up. Kindness opens up. So these are the properties of this. So get the anger out of your life. So this time we discuss about liver. Next time we'll take it about the spleen. Okay. Until then, thank you.